Are you a grade 11 life sciences learner hoping to make an academic comeback this term? If so, let's work through a question from the Eastern Cape November Paper 1 2025 exam based on gaseous exchange. So in the diagram below, we are given a simple negative feedback loop with its components shown below. At the top, we are shown the stimulus, then the receptor, the control center, the effector, and then finally the restoration to homeostasis. Now I'd like you to pause the video, answer the questions, and then we'll go through the answers. Right, so the first question asks you to define the term homeostasis. So this is a 2-mark question. So in your answer, you want to make 2 points. The first thing you want to refer to is that it is the body's ability to maintain a stable internal environment. The internal environment is very important, despite changes in the external environment. That's the second mark. So to get the first mark, you want to refer to the stable internal environment or the maintenance thereof. To get the second mark, you want to refer to changes in the external environment. Question 1.5.2 says, when the level of carbon dioxide in the human body becomes too high, which part of the body acts as A, the receptor, and B, the effector? So the receptor is the part of the body that is going to detect that change. Whether it is a change in temperature, a change in pH, it is called the receptor. So in this case, it is going to be the chemoreceptors of the carotid artery. The chemo part of chemoreceptors refers to chemicals. So these are the parts of your body that are going to detect that there is a change in the levels of a specific chemical. The carotid artery is what supplies the brain with oxygenated blood. Right. For part B, the effector, this is going to be the part of your body that is going to be affected. This is the part of your body that can either be the intercostal muscles, the diaphragm, or the heart. So the intercostal muscles and the diaphragm play a role in changing the volume of the thoracic cavity so that there can be a change in pressure, and this can result in breathing or ventilation. And the heart is responsible for pumping blood throughout the body. Question 1.5.3, give 2 reasons why it is important for carbon dioxide levels in the blood not to remain high. Mark number 1, the blood can become increasingly acidic, resulting in cell death. Mark number 2, less aerobic respiration can take place and no ATP can be created. So there is less aerobic respiration because there is less oxygen. Remember, aerobic respiration takes place in the presence of oxygen. Therefore, there will be no ATP or no energy produced in order to fuel chemical reactions in the body. Right, now I'd like you to give yourself a mark out of 7 and comment down below how many marks you got out of 7, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.